Kourtney Kardashian's emotional rollercoaster, Mason's tragic accident, amputation, and triumphant return. Welcome to Celebsphere, your go-to destination for the latest celebrity scoops and heartfelt stories from the stars' lives. Today, we delve into a deeply personal and heart-wrenching chapter in the life of Kourtney Kardashian, the journey following her son Mason's car accident, the subsequent amputation, and the inspiring tale of resilience that led to his triumphant comeback. Join us as we explore the emotional roller coaster that Kourtney and her family endured, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more touching celebrity narratives. In the dazzling world of celebrity glamour and fame, where the spotlight shines bright and the stakes are high, the Kardashian clan found themselves grappling with a tragedy that tested the very fabric of their strength and unity. The saga began with a life-altering car accident involving Kourtney Kardashian's beloved son, Mason, a young boy whose innocence was shattered in an instant, leading to a journey of heartbreak, courage, and ultimate triumph. Mason's harrowing ordeal left him with injuries so severe that doctors were forced to make the difficult decision of amputating a limb, a decision that sent shockwaves through Kourtney Kardashian's world and left her grappling with a mother's worst nightmare. The news reverberated across the celebrity landscape, eliciting an outpouring of support and prayers from fans and well-wishers who stood in solidarity with the grieving family. For Kourtney, a mother known for her unwavering love and fierce protectiveness towards her children, the aftermath of Mason's accident was a gut-wrenching journey through the depths of despair and the heights of hope. She stood as a pillar of strength for her son, navigating the turbulent waters of grief and recovery with grace, resilience, and an unshakable resolve to see her family through the storm. As Mason embarked on his arduous path of rehabilitation and adaptation to life with a prosthetic limb, Kourtney Kardashian's unwavering love and support became the guiding light that led him through the darkest of times. Together, mother and son forged a bond of steel, weathering the storms of adversity with a courage and determination that inspired all who witnessed their remarkable journey. Through sheer willpower and an unyielding spirit, Mason defied the odds and made a triumphant comeback, embracing his new reality with a resilience and grace that left the world in awe. His story became a beacon of hope and inspiration, a testament to the power of love, perseverance, and the unbreakable spirit of the human heart. As we reflect on Kourtney Kardashian's emotional rollercoaster, marked by tragedy, resilience, and the triumph of the human spirit, we are reminded of the incredible capacity of the human heart to endure, to heal, and to emerge stronger from life's most trying moments. Join us at Celebsphere as we honor the courage and resilience of Kourtney Kardashian and her family in the wake of Mason's accident, celebrating their inspiring journey of triumph over adversity. Hit that subscribe button for more exclusive celebrity updates and touching stories from the world of entertainment. Thank you for tuning in, and stay tuned for more heartwarming tales of strength and resilience from your favorite stars.